Merry Christmas, everyone! It's December, so it's all about Christmas themed shimmery crafts this month. Today, I'll show you how to use the pretty fun foils by Craftyscrappers without a laminator or die cut machine. Yes, you heard it correct. You can get the perfect foiled image without a laminator or the die cut machine. Take the MDF base and apply a thick even coat of transfer gel on it and let it dry. I have tried many techniques to get the perfect foil effect but have always failed. But with this gel I got a flawless project. Once it's dry to touch, put the fun foil with the print side up. Now put the butter paper and then iron it with your craft iron. Make sure that your iron is preheated for around 5 to 10 minutes. If you don't have a craft iron, you can use any iron, and if it's a steam one, make sure to turn the steam off. Press the iron with pressure on the complete surface, covering each and every corner. You can smooth the foil with your finger as well if the iron isn't able to cover some part. Use only good quality butter paper, or else the butter paper will also get stuck on top of the foil. In case some areas don't get foiled, put the foil again on that part and rub your finger on it, or use the iron again to transfer it. Keep doing it until you're happy with the foiled image. Once you feel that the foil is stuck, slowly lift the foil from one side to check. If you're happy with it, then slowly take it off completely. Similarly, put the transfer gel on the other side and repeat the same process. For this part, I'll use another print of the fun foil. So I personally recommend using this gel and iron technique. And if you don't have this gel, you can also try it with any other glue and then iron it. It might work, but I'm not completely sure because I haven't tried it with another glue. But hopefully it should. Do try it and let me know in the comments below if it works. Here you can see that the foil didn't get transferred on some parts. It's because I missed to cover these areas with the glue, but I like the shabby and rusty look. Once it's ready, use the jute thread to form the hanging part and your fairy ornament is ready. Hope you all enjoyed today's project. Do subscribe to my channel for more Christmas themed DIY craft projects. Thank you.